Here they come. Here comes Mom. She's way ahead. Look at the babies just paddling like mad to catch up. Wonder what they think of the water being low. Here they come. There's Mom and the two babies. He's just so frantic. They're like, oh my God, our feeder people are back. Now you're just purposely throwing it right on their back.
Kind of.
They love the Rice Krispies. If you listen close, you can hear them going. What's going on, Mom? Oh, that scared her a little bit. That scared her a little bit.